J4 is our power connector. It also has an I2C bus that connects to the DSP for battery monitoring. When paired with our VOXL power module, it will allow you to do battery monitoring. J9 is a USB-C connection. In later videos, we'll use this to connect an ADB shell. J18 is a UART, and it is connected to the DSP and typically is used to control an ESC. Flipping over, we have J2, which is a fan connector. It is always enabled but will be controllable in the future. J10 is a SPI bus connection that connects to the applications processor. It will be enabled in the future. In the beta release, it's disabled. This 12-pin connector is J19 and it exposes a few things. There is a UART that connects to the DSP that is typically used for an RC input. We use a Spectrum RC receiver. It also has a UART for GNSS and an I2C for a magnetometer, and that's used with something like a Hollybro second GPS. All those three are connected to the DSP. There's also an additional I2C connected to the DSP that's not in use currently. Flipping to the board-to-board connectors, we have the legacy board-to-board connector and the new high-speed board-to-board connector. These will be described in further detail later, but they are used with things like daughter boards or add-on cards to expose more ports. In this configuration with this M90 board, it can expose USB 2.0 hub, USB 3 hub, 3 GPIO outputs, 1 GPIO input, and over here we have a high-speed UART and an I2C bus.